need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find who I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I'm eating mess of my mind, and I'm eating you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night.
So what's up, guys? It's officially day 2 of 100 days of posting, and I am currently getting ready for work. Of course, I did get up a little late on this morning, so that's why you see me, you know, still getting ready for work. I am still sleepy, honestly. Feel like I had a long night, and I didn't, but I think I'm just gonna eat something light for breakfast, maybe like a banana and a Nature Valley peanut butter bar or whatever, to keep it simple. Take something out to cook when I get off, because you know what I said, it's time to save them coins. And using the NYX fat oil, I like it for my lips. And I'll just be wearing my hair in a protective style for the rest of the week, because I don't have time to be combing my hair, honey. Just gonna throw on like a little black jacket, nothing major. I do like to go into work and be comfortable, so yeah, that's always the goal, comfort. These little shoes, my big coats that I got for Christmas, and we're gonna get out the door.
Good morning, young lady.
Good morning.
If you ain't at the house, I'm home with you. You had more than enough time to get ready. You have all that. You're supposed to be at the house.
I'm in my car.
Oh, okay. Just making sure. You know how you be feeling the mirror.
I do not.
Yes, you do. Get it together.
Yes.
I tell you.
Yes, sir.
Like you don't know how to act.
How I act like I don't know how to act?
You ain't doing what you're supposed to do.
I'm on my way.
Number one more day.
You're right. You're right. Heading to lunch. So I'm just gonna run and get me some chicken, of course. It's going pretty good, actually. I hate that I can't bring you guys like inside, so you can basically get like a day in the life of an IT officer. Super ready to go home. It's freezing in my office. I took my jacket off at first, and then I was like, definitely finna put you back on. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go and get some food, baby. Yes, can I get the 2-piece special spicy?
Okay,
Let me do a small order of bummers, and can I have ranch and hot sauce, please? I don't have much planned for today, but we're gonna see, you know. My little protective style got me out here looking like I'm 12. But my braid appointment is scheduled for the 17th and the 18th, and I'm super excited because, baby, we got to get this hair done. I just want to wake up, oil my scalp, and be out the door, period. So I'm officially off. Excited about that. So I'm super excited. Today was not bad. Of course, one more work day for the week, honey, and we'll be out for the weekend. I absolutely love that I have my weekends off. Literally do not know how to act. I be so excited, and I be so looking forward to Fridays, baby. The only thing about Fridays, I don't get off until 5, but I don't really be tripping because it's only one day out of the week that I have to work until 5 o'clock. So super excited about that. So I was just looking at some things. I really got a lot done today at work today, first of all. So I had a little downtime to do some other stuff and look at and research some other things. So what I think I'm gonna do is go ahead and make up me some letters to send out to the collection companies that I have left on my credit report to see will I be able to settle the amount, because I have 2 accounts of Next that are together, but it's showing up as a separate collection, so 2 collections. So I'm gonna send them a letter to see if they are able to help me, you know, to see if I can negotiate the price, basically, so I won't have to pay the full amount. So I'm gonna just show you guys like the letter or the template that I'm gonna use, and if you want to steal it to help yourself build your credit, then cool. That's why we're here. We're on this journey together to go ahead and get these credit scores up, honey. But yeah, so I'm gonna be working on that because I do want to apply for the loan or get the process rolling for the home loan. I would say in the spring, maybe around March, April, somewhere in that ballpark. So by the summer we can go ahead and get started with the building phase of our home. So I will be showing you guys what I'm gonna be cooking. Hopefully we can do a cook with me segment in this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home and I am settled. Made it back to the crib. Just get my stuff out of the car. First thing I'm gonna do is let my dog out to use the bathroom. Let her come out here and handle her little business. It does seem like it has warmed up a little bit, but yeah, the sun is like really backed up and bad. What is this? Under something beauty. Got a PR package, period. No idea what it is. Say hi to the camera. I'm gonna let her do her business. I'm gonna go and look in the freezer to see if we have any chicken wings or something like that for me to cook, because my daughter wants like this fried rice. She wants like this fried rice, and I'm gonna cook that for her because yeah, honey, we are not eating out. Chicken wings that we have, they have to thaw out, and then I'm gonna cook this chicken fried rice. Well, it has the Thai jasmine rice with grilled white meat, chicken and veggies, in a ginger garlic sauce. So I've never tried it. This is my first time actually cooking this one, and I hope that it's good. My daughter is super excited about trying it. But yeah, go ahead and open up this package. And I'm also gonna show you guys the emails that I get. Honestly, I have not been replying to my PR emails how I should, and I be missing out on opportunities. But new year, new me. I'm gonna start checking my emails every day and bringing you guys also along on the journey of receiving PR packages. So let's see. Jesus. Okay. This is not PR. This is my freaking Christmas gift from my Secret Santa. I'm excited because it's a new perfume. Hey. And I hope it's not the one that I smelled in Ulta, because it did not smell good at all. Let's open it. Super excited. I've been so into perfume lately. Lately, I have been into like vanilla scented or cinnamon or like floral, spicy, gourmand, you know, just all around, but mainly the vanilla and the gourmand scents. So this is the cream vanilla perfume from Ulta. Take a look. I want to spray it, but I don't want to spray it on me. Oh God, it smells so good. The scented one that I also want is the 1111 vanilla scented perfume. Super excited, but like I said, I am not going to be purchasing anything because I'm trying to save my money. However, when I accomplish a few goals and pay off some debt, I will reward myself here and there. And it just may be the 1111 perfume, and I can also just put it on the screen what I'm talking about. But I'm super excited. I have to let my aunt know that my gift finally arrived and I love it. I'm super excited to wear it tomorrow to work, or just wearing it to bed, because baby, I'm a perfume girly, so it's just like I love to smell good. I feel like smelling good is a part of my personality. Hey, so now I think we are going to go ahead and go through my emails maybe. My daughter and grandmother is not here, not really sure where they are, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go through those emails because I know it looks a mess. We're gonna start with my UGC email first. And as you can see, I literally have, which is not bad, however, I do have 30 emails that I need to reply to. I'm trying to give this year my all when it comes to being a content creator. Not that I'm trying to pursue being a full-time content creator anymore, but you know, I want the extra money, especially being that I'm about to build a home. Baby, I need all the extra coins that I can get. A few extra $100 will not hurt, okay? So this particular email, it is for Korean skincare cosmetics. So let's see what they are talking about. And most of the time I just reply with something simple, like hello, thank you for reaching out, I'm interested, blase blase. And you can also utilize ChatGPT for this as well. You can get ChatGPT to create you a response back to brands when you are interested in working with a brand or company. So basically what I typed into the ChatGPT box, I said, make me an email in response to brands and companies who are interested in working with me as a content creator. Literally, this is what it provided. Is the email template that ChatGPT provided me in order to respond back to the companies. So I'm just like, baby, if you aren't making any money as a content creator in 2025, something is seriously wrong, because you have the resources out there. But let's go ahead and answer these emails. almost done cooking. My chicken is looking pretty good. Today was a pretty good day. Honestly, I cannot wait to eat dinner, have my shower, and wind down for the night. Period, honey. Go ahead and put the sauce on it. I'm crying. I'm gonna rate the food. Well, I will rate the rice a 3 out of 10. It was not good. I would rather cook it from scratch on my own because yeah, that was not it. Maybe I could try a Walmart brand, but I did not like that. None of us liked it actually. The wings, however, were really good. Guys, this is gonna go ahead and wrap up day 2 of 100 days of posting, and I will see you guys on tomorrow. Bye.